Go.
Hello, my name is Troy Johnson with DITEQ Company, and a problem we have in the industry is when we cut concrete or polish concrete or core drill concrete, we have a product that's called Slurry. And I have two products that help for the disposal of slurry. My first product is called flock. And what flock is, it's bentonite clay with a pH adjuster, and what it does is it separates the water from the solid. It takes 2 ounces of flock to separate 10 gallons of water. So I have the slurry here. I'm going to go ahead and show you how the flock works. So what we do is we dump the flock in, and then we stir it up a bit. Now what will happen is it'll separate the clear water from the slurry. And what happens is, after it sits for a couple minutes, you can see how the clear water's on top and the slurry's on the bottom. Well then, what we can do is we can take that clear water that we just created and we can dump it off and reuse the water because the pH has been adjusted. So we just go ahead and dump that off. Then what's left is the slurry with the water taken off. So then you can use my other product, which is called gel. Now gel turns what's left into a non-flowing gel that can be disposed legally at the job site. So what I'm going to do now is just mix this up a bit. Takes less than 2 minutes to react. And as you can see, that's turning into a gel. And once about another minute goes by, I'll let this sit here. We can throw that away at the job site. Now this has been sitting for about 15-20 minutes, and you can see how it turns into a gel. Now that gel can legally be thrown away at the job site. Now, let's say you don't have a large quantity of slurry and you just want to gel it. Slurry is 80% water and 20% solid. You can just gel the whole product if you want to. But if you're doing a large quantity of slurry, it's good to flock it first. That way you separate and get rid of that water that you don't need. So this will turn the entire slurry into a non-flowing gel in less than 2 minutes that we can throw away at the job site. What's happening is you cannot dump slurry on job sites because slurry has a high pH and it's bad for the environment. But if we add the gel, we can. And as you can see, I've taken that slurry and turned it into gel. So the two products are called CFA, which is Concrete Flocking Agent by DITEQ Corporation, or CGA, which is Concrete Gelling. And what we've determined is it costs about 13 cents a gallon to flock the slurry, and it costs about 80 cents to $1 to gel it. And it's sold in 50-pound bags, and you can call DITEQ for more details. Thank you.